صباح الخير، السلام عليكم, أو مساء الخير. However the time you will my video. I would like to introduce myself in the beginning of my video for those who don't know me. أنا اسمي داليا محمد. أنا من مصر. My name is Dalia Mohammed and I am from Egypt. أنا أعمل معلمة لغة عربية لغير الناطقين بالعربية في مدرسة دولية في دبي. I'm working as Arabic teacher for those who don't speak Arabic. So I'm teaching Arabic as a second language in international school in Dubai. I was thinking to post all my videos which I send it to my student on YouTube channel. It might help others who is interested in learning Arabic. Some of the videos maybe sound is not that much clear or it's not that much high professional, but I'm trying my best. I'm still learning how to deal with this stuff and social media like that. Okay, I hope that that's useful. So I'm targeting my student here, and of course you are welcome to ask me any question, even for who is not my student. You can just ask me any question if you want, and all the PowerPoint which is I'm working on it on my videos, you're most welcome to send me your email so I can send it to you. I don't know yet how can I get link for all the PowerPoint I use it in my videos. Is it possible or not? So we're gonna start our lesson today, which is about بيتي, my house. I hope my voice is clear. بيتي, my house. Let's first see what's the expectation of today's lesson. في نهاية الدرس اليوم, in the end of the lesson today, expected that I expect you to be able to identify the rooms in Arabic, how to say the rooms in the house. Second is to link between rooms in the house and family member. So you're going to use family members, which we learned before in the previous video, and the house. So this is our first. أين تسكن? Where do you live? أين تسكن? So the answer will be I live in. أنا أسكن في بيت, house, villa, شقة, apartment. أين تسكن؟ أنا أسكن في شقة. أنا أسكن في شقة في شارع الجميرة في دبي. Let's now learn the new vocabulary of our lesson today. غرفة الجلوس. غرفة الجلوس. غرفة الطعام. غرفة الطعام. غرفة النوم. غرفة النوم. غرفة المكتب. غرفة المكتب. So now we can guess what's the meaning of غرفة. Yes, it means room. غرفة الجلوس, living room. غرفة الطعام, dining room. الطعام as a word alone, it means food. When we put it together, food room, no, in English dining room. But غرفة, room, الطعام, food. This is as a exact translation. غرفة النوم. النوم, alone as word, it means sleeping. So sleeping room, no, bedroom. غرفة النوم. غرفة المكتب. I can also say مكتب because مكتب is a room, office. Yeah, like my office I say مكتبي, my office. I can say غرفة المكتب. المطبخ kitchen. المطبخ. الحمام. الحمام. I'm gonna move myself here so you can see. المسبح. المسبح. Not in all home houses, but some has. الحديقة. الحديقة. garden. الشرفة. الشرفة. الشرفة it's a classic Arabic. We say الشرفة. In most popular word we say البلكونة. But of course what we learned here as a student in a school, they learn الشرفة. Okay, I'm gonna put myself again back down here. Now here we're gonna link between the rooms in a house and the family member in the next slide. حسناً. Okay, as you see here, I actually make a record for my student in case they didn't see the video. So this is already like I'm reading all this here in the PowerPoint. So if I open, I'll show you. Like I read all in the PowerPoint as well. So now I'm going to the next slide. Now we're gonna go for the task first. We have task 1, green level and blue level. My student know what this means. Green level, I'm talking about beginners, and blue levels, I'm talking about the student who are advanced. Okay. After learning the new vocabulary, you need to practice say and write each word in your copybook. My advice to you, when you practice writing the word, try to focus on, I'm writing the word and I say it in the same time. So I'm writing the word غر, I say it, غرفة. Say it and write it. This will really help you to be better in reading as well. Okay, so that was this task. We're going now for the first task. For the next one, we're going to learn now about these verbs. Okay, these verbs, it can be suitable or good to use it when I'm talking about specific rooms. So if I'm saying al-matbakh, the expected verb to be used with, of course it's not swim, not play. It will be cooking. يطبخ. Let's learn this later on. I'm gonna use it with in sentences, speaking and writing. يلعب. يلعب. يسبح. يطبخ. يأكل. ينام. يقرأ. ينظف. يجلس. يكتب. As you see, when I read all these verbs, I was talking about the masculine, like he is. You know, when I use it with she, it's different, only replacing ya in the beginning of each verb with t. So if I'm talking about my mom, I will say t, t, تأكل. When I'm talking about my dad, يأكل. So I put ya in the beginning of the verb. Okay, we're going to next slide. This is the video. I take it with my voice for if you don't have a video. So let's go to the next task. Task 2, and this is for blue level. After learning the new vocabulary, you need to link them with the verbs by writing sentence in your copybook. And I give you example. أمي تنام في غرفة النوم. أمي تنام في غرفة النوم. and here is the explanation for the task already in audio. Now let's go for the next. أين أسرتي؟ أين أسرتي؟ ابحث معي عن أسرتي. Let's search where is my family. حسناً. أين أختي؟ أين أختي؟ أختي my sister. أختي she's in two places here. أختي في غرفة الجلوس. In this picture my sister in the living room. أختي في غرفة الجلوس. أين أبي؟ أين أبي؟ Where is my father? في غرفة الطعام. نعم أحسنت. Now try to answer with me. أين جدتي؟ Think what's the answer? أحسنت. في غرفة النوم. في in غرفة النوم. So أين, when I say question using أين, that means I'm gonna use في in the beginning of the answer. أين جدتي? Where is my grandma? في غرفة النوم. أين جدي؟ أين جدي؟ أحسنت. في غرفة المكتب. Well done. Correct answer. في غرفة المكتب. أين أمي؟ في المطبخ. أين أختي؟ في الحمام. Okay. Hope that was clear. Now we finish our task for today. We'll make revision for the family members which we studied before, and for the rooms in the house. Please, when you finish writing your task, send it to me so I can correct it and tell you your mistakes if there is any, but I know there can be no mistakes. Okay. السلام عليكم وأراكم لاحقا. See you next time. مع السلامة.